Hey, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio. We're celebrating the 250th anniversary of our amazing country. Part of that is I'm giving away $250 every week toward a build on your bike. So you're going to want to watch the rest of this video to find out how you can take part in it. All right, so as part of celebrating this 250th anniversary, we thought it'd be great to give $250 back every week to somebody that has a Harley Davidson and follows along with Volunteer Audio. Now, I want to try to make this fun, but I also want to try to make it simple. I want to do basically a digital bike show. I want you to submit pictures of your motorcycle to Volunteer Audio. I want you to tell us about your plans for 2026, any upgrades you're thinking about doing to your bike, and as part of that, I'm going to try to help you out. We're going to pick somebody every week. We want to hear that story. We want to see that bike. And me and my team, we're going to pick somebody to give $250 toward that upgrade. So let's go with how to do that. You're going to go to volunteeraudio.com and we're going to have a form. It's actually at the top of the description of this video. And you're going to fill out that form. You're just going to give us your info. Because if you win, I got to be able to contact you. I need your name, your phone number. I need to have a couple pictures of your bike. And then I want you to fill out and tell us what you're thinking about upgrading on your bike this year. That's going to be one of the simple things that you can do to help us put you into this drawing. But I also want you to like this video and to share it publicly. So you'll see a part on that form where you have to take a screenshot where you did that public share. That's going to give us your social media presence and see that you've been involved in this promotion. It's simple. We normally pay a lot of money out in advertisement, but instead of paying it out to places like Facebook or YouTube, we're going to give it to you. Give it toward that future build. And believe me, the story matters because this isn't a drawing where we're going to randomly pull out of a hat. We want to see the pictures of your bike. We want to know what you've got planned this year. And then each week, we're going to pick one of you. And at the end of the week, we're going to give you the money, but we're also going to highlight your bike. So if you want your bike talked about, shown on the internet through Volunteer Audio, make sure you submit. Also, it's only going to be a minimum of a $500 upgrade. So we're going to cover half of that upgrade and anything you do beyond that as well. This works with any sale that Volunteer Audio's currently got going on. As you look behind me, we just filmed a big March sales video, and I wanted to bring you into this. So we're patriots here. We love our country. We love celebrating this 250th anniversary, and we know you do too. So I want to know more about your year, 2026. What are you going to do to that bike? Share those pictures with me. Submit that to me. And we're going to make sure that somebody wins every week for the rest of the year.